in views.py. This is the code what we discussed previously. Get method, post method, put method. Yesterday, delete. In one view class, I implemented all the methods. From my partner application, I can request get resource, create resource, update, delete, all are completed. This all story without REST we are discussing. Now, today onwards, we have to develop web APIs. So now these concepts are very simple only, not that much of complicated because everything already predefined, just we can use it. Developing web APIs by using third-party Django REST framework. Third-party Django REST framework, nothing but DRF. So how to develop the web APIs in Django? Two are there. One is DRF, we can use Django REST framework. One is Tastify. Two are available. And so many are there. That is the main REST framework is the very. So what is the speciality of Django REST framework? Whatever specialties are available there. Sir, up to now, I am taking application, partner application, and I'm running through command prompt only. Always. I'm not checking with web APIs. So, web-based APIs is also possible, means browsable. Browsable APIs are possible in case of this REST framework. Because every day, I'm going to the command prompt, I'm running py-test.py, I'm displaying all the result into command prompt only. But I'm not showing in the browser-based APIs. Now, next concept, I need to go to the browsable APIs are possible, sir. Second one. Sir, suppose if you want to access my API, I want to provide some authentication because some APIs are, some guys that they want to buy that API, they can use it. Okay. They have charged some money to use that APIs. Then I have to provide some authentication. Security reasons purpose, token based authentication or different types of authentication I want to provide to the end user. Then I need to go to this one. Then we have to provide token authentication if required client then or OAuth authentication. The main purpose is to provide security. To provide security or authentication purpose. That is also possible to provide because of REST, Django REST. Third one, serialization concept we know. Serializers, both I can implemented ORM and non-ORM. What is ORM already you know. Non-ORM means except that remaining also. So previously first starting Django class, all I'm telling non-ORM. Last I'm telling ORM. So both are possible at the time of serialization. Next, extensive documentation is provided by REST and great community support will be provided by the REST framework. It can be used and trusted by internationally recognized companies, including Mozilla, Red Hat, Heroku, so many are there. So these are all the advantages of the third-party built-in REST APIs. How to install this REST framework? So there is, you want to go Django hyphen REST hyphen framework.org. This is the site. Every information will be available. Django hyphen REST hyphen framework.org. Sir, check it here. 1 minute. ఎక్కడ ఇంకోండి Django REST framework. Sir, up to now I'm telling na, those are not my words. Check it. What they are telling, the web browsable APIs are available. Authentication policies including auth, serialization support ORM, non-ORM, great community support documentation, used trusted international companies Mozilla, Red Hat. Yes or no? These things only I am telling here. It is not my own words. From there I copy pasted here. So that is the features they can provide, sir. Installation process. How to install any software, you know already. Pip install, how Python, Django, everything install, same process. Pip install Django REST framework. It should be installed automatically. After that, pip install Markdown. Django REST framework. That is the meaning of DRF. Sir, check it in the documentation. Please check it here. These are all the funding because it is a open source. Company is not there to maintain REST. How Python, Selenium, this one, Java is there. Java maintained by some company. Some employees are working, thousands of employees, Oracle company. Oracle software you can take. It is maintained by some organization. .NET maintained by some organization. SQL Server, yes, but REST API open source. Going to build daniki funders, they will give funding. Tomorrow, maybe if you started any company, you are using these REST services, then you can also sponsor. Somewhere they can give donate something they can provide it. Fund Django REST framework. So observe first how to install. Just 3 are there. Pip install Django framework, pip install Markdown, pip install Django filter. These 3 steps are there. I copy pasted here. Installation process law. First install Django framework, Markdown support for the browsable APIs. So you have to install all the 3 in your machine. My machine already installed. Voice breaking. రావట్లేదండి వాయిస్. Now it is coming. Voice okay. Yeah. So these three how to install it in your machine. Pip, install Django REST framework. Check it carefully. Take this command. Net compulsory. Go to the observe command prompt. Just give that command, enter. It is telling Babu already requirement satisfied because already installed. But in your machine, it should be installed one by one. Second, pip install markdown. Paste it, run it. Requirement already satisfied, installed, sir. Third, pip install Django filters. Install it. Yes, this one also already done in my machine. So I don't want clear the screen. This is the process. 3 you have to install in your machine. Now, ఎలా ఉంటుంది కరెక్టే కదా స్వామి. దిస్ ఈజ్ Django, దిస్ ఈజ్ రెస్ట్. ఎక్కడ చెప్పాడుగా మనోడు స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది అక్కడ అని. Sir, now I have to give some application I will tell, then you will get much clarity. Previously, I am telling without framework, own APIs. Now, by using Django REST, I want to create one application, process everything same only. CRUD operations, get method, post method, put method, delete. But not that much code is there here. Only already built-in classes methods are there. The simplest way how we are using with REST, because previous two examples are without REST. Now, by using Django REST, how we can provide it. Now, story, start normal story only. Create project, create application, models, make migrations, everything. Come to here first of all. Sir, create the project where our project is REST API 6th June 11 AM batch. Okay. Django hyphen admin start project. What is the project? With REST. Previously without REST. Class 1, first one. Wrong antande. Django, Django hyphen admin. Created CD with REST C1. Now py manage.py start app test app created. Sir, next what is the activity we have to do? Add application in setting. Instead of that, before we have to do a small setting required. Check it. What they are telling, read it. You want to do? Add REST framework to your installed app settings. And before adding your application, because just now installed REST framework, compulsory you have to add this. And this one and our app also both. So next step, add REST framework and our test app. Where are in settings.py installed apps low. Okay, done. Come to here. Open this. Close this. Close this. Current project is with REST. Open settings. Sir, install apps lo, yes. What it is? REST. Tarvata test app completed. Next, what to do, Subbareddy? Models. But before that, one more setting is there. You are. Where? The last value kada, last value not required. If any values are there, next compulsory. Last optional, your wish. Where? No problem. Adi different story, the different story kada. If we values one by one application, first one, second one, third. This is the last one. Inka avasarala. If next anything is there, comma mandatory. Ikkada, you go ichina, no problem. If you are not given, no problem. Sir, completed. Next one. What to do next? urls.py. Which URL? Asla I'm not creating any view kada. URL. But required, check it. Read the documentation, sir. Observe idigondi. Once you are adding, we add one URL. Which URL? Idigondi. Path API authentication include rest_framework.urls. Add this compulsory. Copy. It will give left and right. First add J. So here, given that. Which one? Not required. It is not my thing. It is available built-in URL. Na? If my application is that, then from test app import views. I'm not doing anything. That is by. But here, one thing we have to include. Anyone tell what it is? No. Include. Include is a function where it is available. Here. Here you go. Include. Okay. This is the application level URL. I added into the project level. I remembered starting in our childhood, I'm telling application level URL. I'm using already built-in application into my project. That URLs I'm added in here by using include function. Sir, idi machipokonde compulsory in URLs. You can add that one. But compulsory import statement include compulsory you can add. These two you can give compulsory. Completed. So now, in our previous project, have you remembered here? I created something here. Sir, what it is? Serializers. Okay. That is built in my own. Built in. Yes. Now here also, I want to use built-in serializers. What it will do? Django REST serializers are responsible to do 3 activities. That serializers are built-in module already. Okay. What it will do? Django REST framework serializers are responsible for 3 activities. One is serialization. Second one is deserialization. Sir, what is the meant for serialization? Third one, validation. 3 will be done. First object, complex type to Python dictionary. Python dictionary to JSON. That is complete process called as serialization. Deserialization means JSON to dictionary. Dictionary to object. That is deserialization. I will give clarity. Wait. Third one, validation. What is validation, sir? I did already form validation. Salary compulsory greater than 5,000. Marks something greater than 35. Those things will be done by here validations. These are all the predefining. Previously, I did one by one, mix in class, serialize, mix in all this. But here you don't need. Already you can use all the things. Sir, here serializers will work similar to in our Django. Sir, in the Django, what is the difference between form and model form? Any difference is there? Forms key, model forms key. Sorry. Note. DRF serializers will work very similar to Django forms and model form classes. That is the story. Form means just it should be display only form to the end user. We have to accept data validation purpose. It does not store data to the database. Model form means directly we have to store data into the database for future purpose. Then I need to go to the model form. Next, first concept today I will tell serialization and deserialization. You have some basic idea what is the serialization. I will tell. So just one employee object is there. Employee object means it is not at all related to Python Django terms. Ante employee dot objects dot all. I'm getting query set. Only one employee. Employee dot objects dot get ID. One employee I'm getting. The TMP is a one object. That complex data type first I have to convert into Python dictionary. Then Python dictionary to I want to send as a JSON to the end user. Then I can go for serialization concept. If I want to give to the reverse process, then we can go to deserialization. Deserialization means I want to insert some data into database. I want to insert data to database. My partner application will give JSON data for me. That JSON data I am converted into dictionary. Dictionary to object. Object I can store it into database because database can accept only objects. Suppose I can read some data from database, send it to third partner application. Once I getting objects from employee table, these are all employee objects. Convert to dictionary, convert to JSON. That concept is called as serial. Ivanni kavali ante first of all some model is required, table is required, data is required. Okay. Wait sometime this serialization. First create one model. So you have to take this story already you know models, admin, create table. But new thing I will tell serializers. How to create serializer class. Same form, model form, how available, same story, serializer also. Sir, first create a model. Come to here. Models. Class. Employee. Inside, what I want to take? Models dot. What is the class name? Model. Okay, done. Now, I have to take employee number equal to models dot integer field. Next, employee name equal to models dot character field. Max length. Employee salary equal to models dot float field. Next, employee address equal to models dot character field, max length 64. Here, as an explanation not required for you, you know very well, thousands of times we did this activity every day. 35 projects you did. Next, what to do? No. Here, one more thing is there. Serializers.py file you can take, because previously I'm telling the forms, model forms. Same. This employee is a model class. Same, you can create employee serializer class. Employee serializer class. This is the normal model. Sir, generally we know already. I created form and model form. Same. This is model class. This is serialized model class. Okay. Serializers.py. Come to here. Right click. New file. Serializers.py. Sir, can I give only serializers.py or any name? Any name. Mahesh.py also I can give. But serializers naming convey. Forms I am given. Forms.py. Why I am given? No, any name you can give. Okay, done. Sir, next, what to do? Here, serializers you can import. Where from? No. Just now we installed something. Wait, it is not coming. Sir, if it's not coming, don't type. You have to wait because some guys are typing. If suggestion are not coming, it won't work. First, you can take care about those things, because initially something goes wrong, but you written all the program, last executed, getting all red marks. Okay. If REST framework came, not came, and it is installed, it is suggestions came. Okay. REST framework. What I want to import is going to import. What I want to serializers came. Take any class. What is the class? Any name your wish. I am given employee serializers inside. What it is? What I imported? Serializers dot. What is the class name? Sir, that is going to C symbol. It is a class. It is a module. We are using now models.model. Models is a module. Model is a class name. Here also serializers is a module. Serializer is a class name. Is going to same. Ila akkadaithe vadam. Idi module. This one class. Same story. Now give that one. Whatever columns I created, copy, paste, employee name. But what we have to give? Not models. What it is? Serializers. Because module name. Remove this. Serializers. Remove this. Serializers. Remove this. Serializers. Completed? Compulsory. Because in the database it is storing. If you're not storing database, no forms, it is not mandatory. But at the time of model, this one length compulsory. Sir, up to here clear. One is normal model class, second one is serializer class. Now what to do? Make migrations. Migrate. Come to here. I will add admin, no problem. Because once migration come table created, if you want to see the table in admin interface, then we have to add admin. If you're not adding also, no problem, but table not visible. That is the main purpose of admin. Py manage.py make migrations. Created. Next, migrate. Created. Done. Make migrations. Migrate. Sorry, admin kada, admin dot, because once I create super user, I want to see the table. That's a admin py compulsory. What to do? Admin. Class. What is the class name? employee admin inside admin dot employee admin model admin. What is the variable? List underscore display inside ID, e number, e name, e sal, address. What to do? Admin dot site dot register. What about register? Employee comma employee admin. But you have to from test app dot models import completed admin task also. Yakada line number. Oh, test app. Yeah. Okay, sir. This is the code. Then serializer purpose and you have to convert to object to serialization purpose. I'm using that one. Okay, na? Sir, observe carefully. Now, I have to go to what to do? Create super user and add some records manually. Okay, come here. Py manage.py create వామో ఎక్కడ ఎర్ర ఉంది చూడండి నో మాడ్యూల్ నేమ్డ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ నాట్ సేవ్డా సేవ్ అయిందే టెస్ట్ యాప్ కరెక్టే కదా యా not saved. Mahesh, email ID abc@gmail.com. Password Mahesh123. Created. Now py manage.py run server. Server started. Take the address, IP address, come to here. Okay, add employee objects, 101, give name, no, first start with Sunny, salary, then example will execute perfectly without errors. You are doing so many guys, that is the mistake only. You are started with your name, it won't run, you will get so many errors. You can use Sunny name. Mumbai. Yesterday I started Aishwarya. So many errors I am getting. Now today check, I started Sunny as no error we will get. That is the speciality of Sunny. 102 Bunny salary 15,000 address Hyderabad. Add an employee 3 enough just to understand purpose. Mahesh 18,000 Jayawada. Save. Yes, 3 employees got created. So now come to the our original concept now. Now I need to concentrate on serialization because, sir, what